In this video, we'll show you how to target prospects faster and eliminate manual data entry errors with our Salesforce integration. To perform the first integration, you'll need admin permissions. To start, log into your Lusha account. Then go to the Integrations tab and click on Connect. You'll get a pop-up like this, asking you to select Production or Sandbox. Select Production. Log into your Salesforce account with your username and password. That's it, you're fully integrated. Now you can head over to LinkedIn. Search and find your next customer fast, and then save them as a contact or lead to Salesforce. Here's how your saved contacts look like in Salesforce. That's it, you're done. To learn about how to map Lusha data to fields in Salesforce, check out our Salesforce field mapping video. Lusha, search less, sell more.